There's a quiet mistake that costs the average private tutor about $8,000 a year. It isn't bad teaching, and it isn't the competition. It's hiding in the business side, the part nobody trained you for. By the end of this, you'll know the 3 places the money leaks, why good tutors never notice, and the 3 pieces of paper that stop it. Here's the trap. Most tutors judge their business by one thing: how full the calendar looks this week. But a full calendar only shows the hours you're teaching. It never shows you the money walking out the door. It's like judging a student by attendance alone. Attendance looks perfect, right up until the report card arrives. Leak number 1. The no-shows and last-minute cancellations you never charge for. The "so sorry, can we skip this week" text. The sick day announced at 4 p.m. The slot you held, prepped for, and couldn't resell. Forgiving one missed session feels polite, but you reserved that hour, planned that lesson, and turned other students away from it. Picture a tutor with just 2 of those a month at $50 a session. That's $1,200 a year for work she fully prepared to do. Leak number 2. The students who quietly quit. Parents almost never fire a tutor. They take a break. And it's rarely about your teaching. It's that they've stopped seeing what they're paying for. A parent who can't see progress assumes there isn't any. Your silence between sessions reads as nothing happening. 3 families pulling out just 2 months early is roughly $2,000. Momentum you'd already built, gone in 3 polite text messages. Leak number 3, and this is the big one: summer cliff. Finals end. Families scatter to camps and vacations. We'll see you in September, and your calendar drops off a cliff for 12 weeks. Every empty summer week is income that never comes back, and some of those September returns simply never happen. A tutor with 10 weekly students who keeps only 2 over the summer loses more than $4,000 in a single season. So add it up. 1,200 in sessions nobody paid for. A couple thousand in early goodbyes. Thousands more in an empty summer. $8,000 a year isn't the worst case. For a lot of tutors, it's the conservative estimate. And none of this is about being a better teacher. It's the most ordinary admin in the world, which is exactly why it goes unnoticed for years. It never shows up as one scary number, either. It bleeds out a session here, a family there, a quiet June. So here's the fix. It isn't taking more students, and it isn't cutting your rate. It's putting the business side on paper. Once, a policy, a report, a reminder. Because when it's on paper, everything changes. The no-show pays, the parents see progress, and the summer calendar fills before school lets out. That's the whole reason these kits exist. Done-for-you tutor paperwork that looks professional on day 1. Watch it close, all 3. A tutoring contract with the cancellation and no-show policy already written, signed once, before the first session, and leak 1 is gone. A monthly progress report with a bank of 72 ready-made comments. Parents see the value every month, so taking a break stops happening. And a summer marketing kit, flyers, a 5-email campaign, social posts, and a program menu. That fills July while everyone else waits for September. It's a whole shelf, actually, from a $5 invoice template to a complete tutoring business in a box. Fix the leak in front of you. Grab the rest when you need it. 1 signed page, 1 monthly report, 1 email in May. That's the whole thing standing between you and the $8,000 leak. Every kit is on our Etsy shop. Most cost less than a single tutoring session.